Hey friends, if you encounter the error, do not log on users with temporary profiles on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the Registry Editor window. Now go to HKey Local Machine. This is all on the left pane. Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and then to System. Or just copy paste the path here. So in the right pane, we need to create a dword 32-bit entry, which is profile error action. Right click, new dword 32-bit entry, profile error action, and remove the spaces. Hit enter. The dword 32-bit entry has been created. Double click on it, change the value data to 1, click on OK. That's it. Restart your computer and the problem is fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.